Assalamu alaikum and wonderful good morning to all of you again. I'm in front of you and my all sweet little amazing students are in front of me and they all have a smile on their faces. Yes, show me your smile. Yes, a big one. Yeah, that's great. This is our social studies class and we are doing Pakistan in a social studies class. So we have done many things. We've done festivals and the national things of Pakistan. So here today, we are going to learn about the dresses of Pakistan. Yes, we have a very rich culture and we have got very different dresses which people wear in different parts of Pakistan. So, and we have a national dress as well. So we are going to discuss a little about all of these things, right? So first of all, I just want to share the national dress of Pakistan. The national dress of Pakistan is this, right? Now, just have a look at this. This is our national dress of Pakistan, right? Now look at this. They are holding a Pakistani flag that shows that they're Pakistani, and the boy is wearing a kurta and shalwar, and the girl is wearing a kameez and shalwar and the dupatta. Yes, she's wearing a lilac shirt and a yellow dupatta and the blue shalwar, and the boy is wearing white kurta and shalwar. So look at this. This is our national dress of Pakistan. Yes. So they're happy. Both of the kids are very happy and they're holding the Pakistani flag to show that this is our national dress, right? Okay. Now we have different parts of Pakistan. So they have different cultures and they have different dresses as well. So we can just have a look at those dresses, right? So first of all, I'm going to share with you is like Sindh. Sindh is a province. And look at the picture. There are like two kids. What are they wearing? They're wearing ajrak. Yes, ajrak is something that is being made in Sindh, in the city of Sindh, that is called Thatta. Thatta is the main place where they print these ajraks, and they wear it on their festivals, on different occasions, and that is the very important thing in Sindh, which is very important for them. And they print it, they design it, and they send it to all the cities, and people use it like they make shalwar kameez, they use it as dupatta, or they can use it as bed sheets and cushions. So they make different kind of things out of this ajrak. So this is a symbol for Sindh. This is called ajrak, and these two kids are wearing that. That shows that they are wearing a Sindhi dress. And look at the caps. The caps they're wearing, they are called Sindhi caps. Now, some of the Balochi people even wear this, and they cover their heads, and that's it. That is something, see, and they have like mirrors on this. I'll just enlarge the picture so you can have a look at this, right? Can you see this? The caps they're wearing, it is the mirror work it is done, and the embroidery. They use thread and mirrors to make these caps, and they're beautifully made. They look so amazing. They look so wonderful. So this is what people wear in Sindh, and that is a tradition that they wear ajrak in Sindh, and they even celebrate the Ajrak Day as well. Yes, they do celebrate the Ajrak Day. So I'm going to share another dress with you, and that is a Balochi dress. Now look at this. They're wearing a Balochi dress. Balochi men usually cover their head with this turban like this, and they have it like this so they can cover their head. because some of the parts in Balochistan are very hot and some of them are very cold. So this is the tradition. And look at the girl. The girl is wearing, this is the very traditional embroidery which they wear, right? Just have a look at this. The girl's dress, the embroidery, that is a traditional embroidery of Balochistan. And the boy, this turban, just have a look at this turban. This is the tradition of Balochistani boys and men. They wear this turban, and girls cover their head with the shawl and the dupatta, on which they have the same embroidery, which you can see on the dress of this little cute girl, right? And they make it at home. They make all these embroideries at home. Yes, right? So this is Balochi dress, which you are just watching, right? And then I'm going to show you the Punjabi dress. Now, Punjabi women mostly, they wear shalwar kameez, right? So I will just zoom it so can you see it properly, right? Now, Punjabi women, they wear shalwar kameez mostly with the dupatta, and the men, they use this, that is called lungi, but I don't know what do we call it, because what we can say that in English. That's just a piece of cloth that you just roll it and they like tie it, and they can work in the fields and all that. And they mostly in the villages, people, they wear it, and they even cover their head with the turban. Why? Because the Punjab is also very hot. So when they're working in the fields and all, they cover their head with this turban, right? Okay, then comes, yeah, now look at this. This is a cute little girl. This is the Pertani dress, we can call. The girls in NWFP and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, they wear it. This is the traditional dress, not people wear it in their daily lives. These are the traditional dresses which occasionally they wear it. And this is these dresses shows that from which area do they belong to. That symbolize, the dresses symbolize the area, the culture, and how colorful they are, and what do they like, what kind of weather is there. So the dresses symbolize everything. Now have a look at this girl, this cute little girl. This is a Pertani dress which she's wearing, and she's looking so adorable in that, right? That is great. Then we have another area that is a little high, very much high, that is called Kalash. The people they're called Kalash. The Kalash people, they wear a little different dress. So I just wanted to even share that with you, that the women, what do they wear over there? Now have a look at this. They use lots and lots of beads, the necklaces they're wearing, and this is something which they are covering their head with that, and that is all made up of beads, the different type of beads. And I think they like all the colors of spring, they like orange and yellow and red. I think that's their favorite color. So these are the Kalashi women. This is the Kalash dress. So where they wear it like this. And this is also, I think they usually wear it. This is their national dress, you can say. They mostly, they wear this dress only. They don't wear shalwar kameez. You see, they've got buttons, they've got beads, and the thing they're covering their head with, that is even covered with the beads and all. And I think they're dancing, they're having kind of festival. And can you see they have put up something on their face that is to show the beauty, that adds in beauty on their face. This, she is also putting up red dots, and she has blue dots on it. See, and there are like girls behind, they're also wearing the same, and they're dancing, they have some kind of festival, right? So these are a couple of dresses which Pakistani areas, in different areas, they wear different kind of dresses, right? So this was about different areas and different people who wear different clothing. And that is because of their environment, the weather of that area, the people, what do they like, what kind of people live in, and how colorful they are, how creative they are, that shows, and what is the need of that area. So these were the clothes of Pakistani people. And there are somewhere famous buildings of Pakistan, so which I'm going to share with you. So we are going to share a couple of Pakistani beautiful buildings. So starting from Karachi. Yeah. What is this? Just have a look at this. Now, what do you see? This is a tomb of Khadasm. Yes, this is the tomb of Khadasm, which is located in Karachi. And it is a very famous, beautiful building of Pakistan, right? Yeah, so another building I just want to share with you, that is of Karachi, and I really like that building. So I'm just going to share that with you. Sorry. Where is that building gone? Where is that? Okay, I think I have missed that. Maybe. Okay, no problem. I will just bring it again. Okay, so I am going to share you with another picture, the beautiful building from Lahore. And look at this. What is this? Yeah, which picture is it? This is Shahi Mosque, a beautiful architecture of Mughal time, a beautiful mosque, a huge mosque. And do visit if you come to Lahore. And if you're in Lahore, do ask your parents to show it to you, right? Yeah, and this was the other picture which I wanted to share with. This is Empress Market of Karachi. This is also a beautiful building of British time. Britishers built that. It's a very beautiful building, and it's Empress Market. It is the place where you can go and have your groceries, and you get wonderful groceries, almost all the things you get from Empress Market. Yes, see? So this was Shahi Mosque, which is in Lahore, a beautiful architecture of Mughals time. This is even older than the Empress Market, right? So this is of Mughals time, and the beautiful architecture, beautiful mosque. People come from even far away from abroad to come and see this. And this is in Karachi. This is called Empress Market, and this is of British times. Britishers makes this building, Empress Market, and this is a grocery market, beautifully one. This is not a very good picture because you can see much of traffic here. They have cleaned it up, and now it is so beautiful, right? So I'm going to share another picture of Lahore, another building of Lahore with you. Amazing symbol of Pakistan, Minare Pakistan. Yes, this is Minare Pakistan. This is the place we have decided to make Pakistan. People all they gathered and decided, yes, we are going to make Pakistan, right? So amazing place. And then another building from Lahore, that is the Badshahi Killa. This is called Shahi Killa. This is of olden times, of Mughal times. Shahi Mosque is just in front of this Killa. So this is also a very huge, massive building, amazing, beautiful building. They have stairs on which the elephants walk on to go up. So it's wonderful to go and see this building and see the architecture and look how people have made it. And when the king used to live here, what kind of king that was and what kind of life they have, right? Okay, so there is another building which is also very important that is in Balochistan that is called the Ziaret Residency. And this was the place when Khadasm, after Pakistan came into being, he spent his life a couple of months over here. So that's a beautiful place. And this is called Ziaret Residency, right? And this is in Balochistan, in Ziaret. There's a place that's called Ziaret, and this building is over there. And I just want to show you another picture that is not a building, but yes, that is the pride of Pakistan. And I just want to share that with you. And that is this mountain, amazing, our huge mountain, the second mountain of the world, second largest and very difficult mountain of the world, and that is called K2, right? So this is in the Karachi range, and it's very difficult to reach on the top. And you must have heard that recently our mountaineer who every year who submit K2, he went up, Mr. Satpara, and we have still don't know where he is. I hope where he is, he's in a good place. So this is K2, amazing place, and people come from abroad. The mountaineers come to summit this mountain, and that's a beautiful place, amazing place. And when they come up high on top of the mountain, the Pakistani, they just wave the Pakistani flag and they feel very proud. So this is a beautiful, beautiful mountain in Karachi range, that is K2, and that is the second largest mountain in the world. The first one, you know, is the Mount Everest, and the second is K2, right? And even the third one is in Pakistan, the K2 and yeah, the second one, yes. We have two mountains in Pakistan. So, yeah, so our Karakum range is very beautiful. So we have K2 in our Karakum range, and we have Naga Parbat in our Karakum range, and a beautiful range, beautiful mountains. I wish you all see that, because if you go higher, you can even see K2 from very far away. You can see the peak of K2. So that is about Pakistani buildings. So please do go and visit these places. These are amazing places, and learn about the history of all these things, what they are, what is the history behind them, which era they were made in, and that is so wonderful, right? So this was our social studies class today, in which we have learned about Pakistani dresses and Pakistani buildings. And I hope you liked it. So please push the subscribe button. Yes, please. Very good. And give it a thumbs up, and do share it with your friends. Right? Okay. I hope to see you soon again, in good health of you and me. And till then, I'll say stay safe, be happy. Okay. Bye-bye.